Which choice best states the main purpose of the text? Jazz tap is a dance form that was first developed in African American communities. Jazz tap was heavily influenced by jazz music, which became widely popular in the United States in the 1920s. Tap dancers were inspired by jazz music's quick rhythms, and by the way jazz musicians would make up melodies as they played. As jazz music continued to develop in the 1930s and 1940s, jazz tap evolved with it. Because of jazz music's influence, jazz tap quickly developed into a dance form that was very different from earlier kinds of tap dance. So overall, the text focused on the development of jazz tap as a dance form, and it begins by focusing on how jazz music was widely popular in the United States, and that tap dancers were inspired by jazz music, and this coalesced to form jazz tap, and that it was very different from other dance forms of earlier kinds of tap dance. So overall, this is the major structure of the text, and with that we can look at the answer choices. A. It explains why audiences prefer some kinds of music over others. This is incorrect because nowhere does it mention anything about how the audience preferring some kinds of music over others. The focus of the text is completely on how jazz tap developed as a dance form, not on preferring one kind of music over others. So we can eliminate option choice A. B. It discusses the development of a dance form. This seems to be the correct answer because this is the focus of the text, and this is about how jazz tap developed as a dance form, with jazz music being a very widely popular music form in the United States, and that tap dancers were inspired by jazz's music, and that then tap dancers and the jazz music combined to form jazz tap, which is a dance form that was different from other kinds of tap dance. So this seems to be the correct answer, B. C. Describes how to play a musical instrument. This is incorrect because nowhere in the text is a musical instrument mentioned, and certainly doesn't describe how to play a musical instrument. So we can eliminate option choice C. D. It emphasizes the popularity of a famous dancer. This is incorrect because nowhere is a popular dancer or famous dancer mentioned, and doesn't highlight the popularity of this dancer. So we can eliminate option choice D. And with that, we know that the correct option is B.